Today na Monday 25th inside May 2026. Welcome to the first edition for this week of the program Morning Coffee, where they come to you live from Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation, FM 99.9 of Freetown, and same so regional partner and community radio station, then with the all link inside the program. As always, members the Morning Coffee. They bring you use and other things that will happen all about the country, and we bring them to your doorstep for making you know everything they carry on inside the program again. Me and our presenter then Emina Mohammed Cindy Koma and the journal become inside the program.
David Agaba Fambu, good morning. Sense word inside to the edition of the program. Come out from positive. Always they listen to the program when Ezekiel Javombo we tap na kisi. And he say Pikin we say in mama no go sleep, himself no go sleep. Now the program today Fambu, today May 25, Salon they join other countries in Africa as Pan-Africa Coalition Salon, the member Africa Liberation Day, where na day where the African Union set aside for making they honor the struggle of African people them against colonialism, apartheid, and foreign domination. Go no more as the program they carry on. Civil Rights Coalition, one civil society organization, one press release don't talk tranga one say the Minister for Technical and Higher Education for step aside following the ACC finding and the concern over the unfair treatment and governance practice wey happen na the University of Salone. Report wey reach Morning Coffee say some violence katakata bin happen during the conduct of the APC lower level election inside Cambia district na Okupu town, where they allege say one member of parliament with the help of some thugs dem go fuel the ballot box dem, scatter the ballot paper dem. Same way so na the program we go give you updates on the run of the APC lower level election wey same way so take place inside Ward 248, 249 and 250 within constituency 068 Potuloko district inside Mangesinbek and Kase. Up behind bars na one civil society organization wey don sign one memorandum of understanding with the Salone Correctional Service, where as a result of where one man spend about 12 years inside prison for crime where he not been commit. Well, we go give updates on that one there as well. What we meet Morning Coffee say one police na Moyamba allegedly don hang himself na Moyamba police barracks after he been get they say allegations say he been get arguments with him wife. The National Commission for Children then don't begin for popularize the thing that wey inside the newly enacted Child Rights Act 2025, where it talk tranga one on the rights and responsibility of pikin among other things. Then to also and plenty other one line up for you this morning. Members say they get we live on Facebook live stream page when at SLBC Radio 99.9 FM. You go send you message there and same way so send them on text message 034 100444.
Alright, we start with first story this morning, straight off na Cambia district. The last examination where they go on na Cambia district and say a lot of challenge and they inside, especially for students the way they are the science stream. And say students the way they na Stamu Chiefdom na Kichon and Kasei, then they face difficulty for able to access the examination center. Them one way they say na Scarcity Baptist Secondary School na Mambolo. And same way so then say they get focus the Great Scarcity River and also delay another problem them where students they face in other parts of the country. Additionally, again students themselves where they na Magbema Chiefdom themselves they struggle for them able to locate the examination hall where they na Colenten Senior Secondary School. They say this all done they unbug the students in examination one and same way so they say they get for pay like 75,000 millions for let they able for 75 millions now we then get for pay for let they able for access that center. The delay and other things they will don't they unbug don't make them on the raise concern and then they call the ministry for me they address transportation challenge we don't they unbug them students. We come to you when Ibrahim Story camera being sent this report for you.
Alright, before we take that story this Cindy, we go still then at Cambia Usa, we go look this one concerning the conduct of the APC lower level elections at Cambia district, where as I've been talking at the headline says some violence activities them in day where allegations say member of parliament Honorable Mohammed Sheridan Kamara. They accuse am say na him get the people dem wey bin go scatter the ballot box. They were the chairman of the APC Interim Elections Management Committee bin tok more to me company Ibrahim Sori Kamara.
But me sefotin so when I go work 200 honorable Sheridan, we get incident say we make the voting see, so they call me for go sort out. When I go there, me sefona me so in front of the policeman then at the police station, he harass me, they intimidate me. Of course, when I can't resume for talk to the presiding officer, we resume the voting our 200, then he go inside, take the box them, scatter them. Not only do me sefona me run after me, videos and they pictures and they all over the social media. Me when the coordinator, then he come back, other videos and they back, he come with 2-1, when Abamweluma, he come back, now the same thing, he take the box him, say election of take place, then he come back, he go with 2-2, of course, the policeman, the baby container, then he go back 2-3. Of course, even jump come on in constituency, we now what 189, we not in constituency, but the LC baby container, which are the talks with the police, the OC, now Kupu, right inside in office, he can testify that, say, between officer and say, Honorable Sheridan attack me, and he go, he take the ballot paper there, ballot box, we don't vote back, we get ballot paper there, he broke everything our tongue.
So Ibrahim, this allegation, what's in lead for the Honorable Member of Parliament, Mohammed Sheikh Dan, disrupt the entire process as they say, it start for say, it come and start for engaging. What went wrong along the process now?
Incident be happen at the center in a 200. When they call me, yeah, PPRC 7 immediately, they call me, they say they get issue with the VIO. So I won't go there. When I go there, I meet the police now because the police and the center outside the vote are just 10 meters. Yeah, I meet them there. I ask why the process stop. Honorable Sheridan say VIO do something, but they not agree explain it. So I make the council make election of a gun. I said no wait. I say any incident will happen now the center. You na stakeholder. You get the one that we contest. Then get party agents inside. They no turn down. Then the election will continue. There's no way election if incident happen, it will continue. So it begin argument inside the police station. The OC said the driver come down. He even take camera, they say they video me without me knowledge, say me want to continue elections we something not happen inside the station. I said no, nothing enough for happen, nothing enough for stop the elections. Yes, and from there when I grab now, people the voters are outside for go address them and they go inside, it bulldoze, it go inside, it take the ballot paper.
Evidence date to the effects on what
I get pictures and videos what they talk to you also on my phone. Because me waka, I get cameraman with the BM for take all the centers where they waka, where they take them video. What they talk to you also, not to, even the camera, even not the video no more, even the OC and the one of them deploy. Can you talk to the NC?
So
when I say the people now Kupu, they will testify that.
Now only Kupu 200, this post fet we even don't lead so want somebody and meet them at police station in they done the hopelessly. Now only the fet happen.
No, it happened back now. The same honorable say them. I get a video. What they talk so, I get a video evidence. To the effect we if you wanna give for publisher marking give when I'm evidence.
No, me self get me own facts where I don't get.
See, when it come back now 2-1 when Abamweluma and go back take the box and the now you always say we enable to succeed. You go for set conviction with the policeman in container because you always be the wolf. When I call now the gun bracket and or 2-2 and or 2-3 so them even man and day.
What in lead this honorable way the points and Paso say on their allegations there they bring come up all length in there. What in the way they do them in there?
Well, these are elections. You understand? And when a goodie I reference them to the PPRC rules directive say nobody dictate to we. If you party agent because you know to candidate you na stakeholder, the one that we contest, let's talk to them first. You know, you understand? I tell you say anything will happen at station. You understand? Enough for stop the polling process. Therefore, record them. We not satisfied, you can go and petition, but the process for go on. Inter was in nothing. The OC na evidence and the come out na station now we dey for let address because at 10 meters outside the thing. For let go address the people and the president officer say let the voting continue.
Alright, plenty thank you to Ion Ibrahim Suri Kamara for putting together that particular tweet with a follow-up for him for clear some of the allegations in there.
Well, definitely. But at the moment now, let we also go inside to local side. The run of the APC lower level election also take place inside the ward 248, 249, and 250 inside constituency 068. Well, for let we know how in intellect we get on the line now, me comping when Abubakar Kanu for tell me more. Good morning, Abubakar.
Alright, tell me how the lower level election being talent in other parts of the country.
Since when the All People's Congress Party comments for the conduct of the lower level elections inside Port Harcourt district, because Port Harcourt district consists of 28 floors and 10 constituencies. Well, it starts well when the other want them because they conduct the elections. But inside constituencies 268, there is a lot of petition that the three wards them with the that is ward 248, 249, and 250. Well, according to the PPRC, when the people that be filing petition, the final conclusion see many do a rerun of them particular what they did. Well, yesterday when they scheduled for rerun of them particular what they did. Well, according to the schedule, we the people see the election for starts at 8 a.m. in the morning. But the supporters and well wishers of all the people was there began at the Mandi Kotmari inside Buretudom and still moves to inside Buretudom. You can see like we people that began at the children welfare junior secondary school at Simbek, and also inside the same constituency that was 250 inside Kase, they began at Kabatama community school. But by and large, the voting materials became very late. Well, according to the other supporters and well wishers of the All People's Congress Party, they will go there with a good for vote for various positions where they select for what level. That is the chairman, vice chair, the treasurer, secretary, and also the PRO and other positions there. But the election will be commenced until 11 a.m. in the morning. But when they start for votes, there's a lot of tension among two camps with people that are like a particular campaign the great tension inside constituency 068. That is inside what 248, 249, and 250. Well, the two camps that's of the former aspirants we want to be member of parliament when Mr. SIK and also Augustin Suri Kamara. Well, Augustin Suri Kamara in this Mange and that of SIK in this Well, the two camps the tension is to highlight the security apparatus headed by the local unit commander when LUC Fabule and in support officer and other security apparatus within the country and similar to Nigeria welfare and Kabatama. But as the voting carry on, a lot of tension we bring a lot of attention to the public and that of the voting. And the voting be carried on until 8 a.m. We SNBC BDD for monitor the process. But at that particular time, still the voting be carried on when SNBC able to left all the two police centers that will be included Amangi, Kotmari, and that of the two.
So as it is, so what more you go tell me about the outcome? What did not happen so far as the voting be done they carry on?
Yes, the outcome is that we see that the lower level elections, are one of the most simplest elections. We get a lot of tension, a lot of ideas when they get a lot of the hierarchies of the All People's Congress Party headed by the Congress chairman, Honorable Alaji Komokama, and also other state apparatus and people that will all be needed for monitor particular elections. Because maybe now one area we much of violence in terms of political support, in terms of politics, and of course as we talk, people that want to now don't know the outcome of the results we come out from the three what's the reading inside constituency 068 because plenty people look and see and the outcome will be one of the most violent results.
What make them not know the result? They're not count done yet, or what you really know the situation?
Yes, Yes, because of the late voting, and of course, we did the court parade when the generator, we go off. Plenty people that hang up, and the kind of noise when we come out, it look like the end of the day. We will look at say problem get for cap between the two camps them, and say also sometimes well, no accept the result because of a lot of violence, a lot of intimidation, a lot of allegations they go around between the two camps them. We buy in for get a lot of candidates there for vote in for the member of parliament for constituency 068 inside Podloko district.
All right, Abubakar, one for holiday for now and try for get you back for lay you go able for know what not happen this morning as the counting will carry on overnight state generator bingo. But anyways, we go reach out to you again for do a follow-up on how it may end up. All right, that's now Abubakar can really give you update as at last night within the happen concerning the APC level election inside because it was the 068 where you don't tell me about. Now we can studio Cindy, we can talk to some of the guests and we don't join. We but we'll start with the Civil Rights Coalition, where inside our specialist they don't talk, say the Minister of Technical and Higher Education for step aside following the ACC finding and concerns them over the unfair treatment and governance practice now at the University of Sierra Leone. So why did they call for this? We get the national coordinator with me, Alfonso Mani. Good morning, Alfonso.
Yeah, good morning, Madam Davida, and good morning to listeners and viewers.
Yeah, all right. So as I already do ask, waiting make una the gam this called Tanga one.
Yeah, thank you very much. I want to give a background to this, or put into context. You know, waiting all happen will lead to this, right? The bookman is calling the antecedents, which like all this begin. Firstly, the current minister, who they call for step aside, when a Dr. Ramatulai Wuli, been the lecturer at commerce. Why is he been at commerce now being head of department for biochemistry? At a point in time, of course, he become the acting head of the faculty of nursing. Ever since Mr. Big Commerce, anybody with the head that department as the acting head or a substantive head for being nurse, don't study nursing. She was the very first person. How that they happen, we not sabi. Right. Going on. Time they go to the university, well, if listen I tell you forget promotion, he apply say he want for be a professor. Well, the university look and say this how we apply for be a professor in public health and in competence na biochemistry. They look and say no, they reject them. So allegation with the government and they say well now Professor Samai, the massive promotion. We not get any evidence to that. I make us say allegation, they go on. I just they provide the background. Inside all this vendetta come away, pull common commerce, count and the ministry, we don't make it very difficult to let the university operate independently at present. We don't promise it. We want for depoliticize the university. Now, when that one day happen, we also find out, say, during the course, Professor Fodisa, when I'm the vice chancellor, get an appointment for go help this public health. When that one day happen, according to the university, at the next in line for be Professor Mohammed Samai, there comes in the blatant abuse of office by this current minister. If you know the list, let them share. Because finally said the evidence at the top. Now, the ministry will not get no mandate for interfere with the governance of the university. Appoints, they say, caretaker, a vice principal or principal, then a vice chancellor. They say caretaker. The university courts, they reject them. They say, no, this is not correct. By then, the university court and the late Dr. Sanfa Komana, pastor again integrity. Not a mixed matters, and also you take your position. They reject them. They say, no, this court now a responsibility for ensuring if Professor Fode don't come off for this. Then we ensure say the right thing be done. But also see happen. The ministry dissolve the court. Whether they go give president wrong information because some of these also we not can blame President Bill. Some of them ministers and go misinform the president. Don't himself get the responsibility, for look the other side, talk to people them. But now your nature than they. So find out, say, then dissolve these courts. Then carry and when they dissolve the courts, some people them then lost their job, like the registrar, the head of finance. An investigation is certain at the university. That investigation they get for do with procurement, they get for do with the business center. Now, when that investigation done, the university, the post will be head that investigation, they will be using a conflict of interest. Now, Malam O. Malam O na the minister in nominee na TEC. Malam O back, this very Malam O they talk so. The institution where the minister be the work, they doing consultancy, I will come to land instead the work day. And go head that investigation day. So in real estimation, we call a kangaroo court or kangaroo investigation. Now they find one thing for irregularities, say procurement, then then do anything the way wrong, then set it aside. Now, ACC go one for comment ACC very well with audits alone. Then get the statutory mandate for looking into the thing they are so. Now the ACC look into this happening of the university. The ACC, first of all, the investigation, they look into administrative, finance, procurement, and governance irregularities. Now, that's the ACC they own cover. During the course where ACC they do investigation, then find out, say, the university get what they call business center. That business center, they, according to the ACC, if you for investigate them, because they register under a company limited by guarantee, there is no provision in the University Act to talk about business center. So if they get for flout any rules, it has to do with the rules will govern them. And at the company act, now govern the business center. ACC made that very clear. And ACC get very senior lawyers them within another institution. Now, one thing I want to note. Secondly, ACC look at the procurement of the vehicle because this now be the elephant of the room. Then she say, for make you say somebody misprocure or mismanage because they say they mismanage. In fact, the money where they stipulate for buy the vehicle, they procure and less than that money there. ACC say this not amount to waiting financial irregularity. In fact, ACC na financial prudency, where means they use this money very well. If you don't put aside $50,000 for buy vehicle, so you can procure about $40,000. They look at now financial prudency because they save money. SEC also look in the investigation, the procurement issues them. And SEC reference say, some of the irregularities on at the top, but so a competent statutory institution don't look at them back. When an audit salon in conclusion, they not find one thing. The gap where they find out, where I go get for let the public know where I want to say now. First of all, the university not gets a framework. Whether one in a big gap na the university. The university not gets a framework or a procedure how then for they do some of them things there, whether if money come for grants, how then for manager, or whether if you want pull projects come on go na other side. They not get that kind of framework, they not get their roots, then so they finally say na a gap. The way how then they manage the university, that is a complete gap. ACC also say, what we don't find out, in all the incoherence with waiting this committee wanna set up finance. They look at grants. Well, I give background. Madam Ramatu been the head some grants at the university because what's happening, their university they can apply for grants and then they get for do research. And one of the way then they get resources now, when they apply for their research there. And some of them money at times, government they lend them money for government purpose because huge money can come. At the end of that process, they get what they call overhead costs. They can pull and give the university, find out say commerce don't construct a big hall, when a part of them grants they how they can get. Well, the ACC say, one, universities like what I don't talk them forget a framework. How them for ensure say them for they use them money they are. Then find out say like for a big college, they not provide no better documentation. And they use for use them grants, they are like where they retire, where they don't give money, they don't provide better documentation. Then they make the ACC investigation very fair. But we also mindful say university don't come out and don't say no, they not agree to that. We not go contest that. Because press list we see based on what we look at, I don't they get background. Now governance irregularities where they cause interference na the university. So then grants there, let us finish this. At a time, the minister wey immediate commerce, they receive a grant from WHO. He writes to WHO say the university no get capacity for implementing grants, they no go able to deliver on the deliverables. Therefore, let them send on a private farm. Allegations say that private farm the minister says they work there. They allege, right? They work there. Now he convinced them and send this grant go there, hoping that Ebido resign from the university, not a full-time lecturer. But all this thing kind of public or say, hey, no, na still lecturer or hastily he resign, he reduce his status to associate lecturer. You understand? They go to this farm, they go implement the project. Even at the time safe, you go understand that the ACC been investigated and the way they look at because projects, you know, you can get money they will kill left. 10%, 16%, 20%. At the time, some percentage will left. They say they use them for increase their salary, allegedly. Now, this crux of this trade don't happen at this university because there was a time when money left. He stay for use them, the right, but the one will be the part of the project, you know, put at there. All of that the university not approve. So you find out to them people then they will be like Professor Samai the whole that grudge been done there because not me get in your way. Fast forward, he can become minister. He writes back to the university, say them for reinstate him as full-time lecturer. The university say no, this is not in line with your procedure. Apply back. You say Sabi, because person comes, he say for downgrade and the university say this is not reliable again. At any time it can left. So if you want to come back as full lecturer, the university say no, apply back. The university not been done. Fast forward, they can make an our minister. Now, but what thing can happen? Professor Fode Sawe Bindede, as the vice chancellor and principal, can get an appointment for one of this public health. Can be said by then now that don't happen. And Professor Samai for step up for come where the courts now for announce that on the ministry kind side. Now I don't come to be press release. Then can appoint a caretaker. I know 1 year down the caretaker vice principal, principal and deputy chancellor at the university, where the court out against the outrightly say that not for me. When that one they happen, the person then be appointed. He see the kind of discussion where they go at the public. He step down. The ministry come, then dissolve the courts, then get another chancellor, then put people in at the university based on that kangaroo investigation them don't settle Malamu head. We pull some of them people, then the way their family become distressed. It been shameful because the discussion with the go on that tell the finger, they point for them. Say then people are then before the university, all kinds of things.
Okay, now only a bit and friends will like lay foundation for you or for Unana Civil Rights Coalition. I believe so everything that happen are based on personal vendetta.
Exactly, my brother, and I want to thank you for that. So now that one now the minister used for can interfere into the operation of the university. So part of the ACC the recommendation, they say for systems review. We believe say if systems review for take place, the minister still there at the end of the university, it go manipulate someone because as of now, university toxic, university professor the way I don't know for speak up their mind. Even if you look person at their face and tell them true, they don't get that mind again. They all they free the minister. They all know they do things way according to the 2021.
Alfonso, this is serious.
Also allegation, which are the justify, which are the talk.
Okay.
And the minister not dissolve courts. They get that mandate. The minister now appointed acting a chancellor.
No, the way say they manipulate.
No, not manipulate and call not manipulate and call You don't get that right for do. You understand?
Go on.
Meeting my guy, January 6, 2025, the minister go attend court. He is not a visiting at university. I don't want that to meet him, my guys. Because I don't include that this press release. Then the other bombshell back. We open up of waiting that happen meeting, my guys. So that height to that university they be don't reach. It don't can dong. The place toxic. No better thing no they go on there. Because of what President build the campaign, this is not campaign promise. They say one for depoliticize university. Therefore, ain't no one for be chancellor anymore. I will commend President Bill, all of the universities they appoint chancellor, right? When the minister able manipulate Dr. Kabian and Magai, when he tell them, no, you know, I go put to able manipulate Mr. Jallo, Dr. Jallo. Dr. Jallo, na MBA na NCTVA. We all the one they don't graduate, say one they don't get a certificate. With that kind of person, to your estimation, you know, for go put on the right kind of place today because outside they don't get one success. Ask them to open the phone line now. Then one day will be the graduate under NCTVA, where Jallo be there, where they head it. If anyone receives certificate, okay, time. No, I just one way I be the talk with interject me like give more reasons. Now, this press release will say ACC, what will they tell ACC plenty thank you. When they don't conduct the investigation, they don't recommend. They say there is need for let them review because yes, the university, the MTH get power for supervise, but then for do that one day in line with the 2021 Education Act. You know for go, you mandate not for go beyond that one day. When you mandate go beyond that one day, you don't act ultra vires. And one other to ACC pick up on this investigation. They say why then they investigate, then find out say the one that would be accused at that time. They not be give them the sufficient time for their own side. You know the lawyer they say for allow other people them let you their own side. All the ultra pattern. And that one day has to be done in the fairness, in the way that you give the person sufficient time. Even a court safe, like you say this defense not go get time, they prepare. They not be get sufficient time for even respond. So that one they missing that when they can do and quick one. So SEC believes say evidence not there for say they misappropriate money or financial irregularities. But they say there is a gap in the university. Okay. Most of them say how they do not get framework of policy for support and like one for pool projects now can go on a private farm. That policy not there. For how for even run the project, they not get the kind of framework. So now I made a call for that review. But who believes if this review they take place? This same minister will get this vendetta where they unleash and soap and people them, professor them, where they unleash and soap and people them will get families them. Where in the public eyes, they don't start they say that they put the university where other investigation no can turn that one over not to be. We believe say we not say for Sakamo. Let President Bio set them aside. You don't do a basic education ministry. When they investigate for that rest, both Alpha Timbo and Madam Emily Goga, we are set aside. They set it aside. So for fair review. And we dey call for an in-depth investigation onto the happenings, whether in the course of when they dissolve that court, this minister not be don't go misinform president of things they will know they be. Because she attends cabinet, she discussed with the president, and when president don't say university for be a political, president Sidom, he appoints other chancellor, he might be misinformed. So we are saying, Honorable Ramatulai, do the honorable thing by stepping aside and let the university get proper systems review. And our men know say the university not to tell the tonso. Now we highest learning institution and for hold them to highest
time we'll get them also.
No, already the money coffee don't contact them and then go for react to this you call through you civil society organization.
They can come into the studio, the office not far, they can come.
No, yes, we already don't contact them, they in talks with me on that one day. So don't worry, we will get their side, especially when you call for the stepping aside of the minister for letting you get an impartial and independent review of the university. Okay, we will come back to you, but let me take some other issues then.
Alright, so we come into another issue in the program. We get the birth of Hope Behind Bars. Sierra Leone Hope Behind Bars an association we some well-meaning in Sierra Leone and stem form for ensure say people that with inside prison then get hope and also then still able to seek them welfare. this particular association come into force, the founder, when our Abu Sheku Kamara, become in contact with somebody in our Abu Kamara, we in jail for 12 years without no trial or anything. But at the end of the day, they're able to forfeit them, it don't come out. So we'll get them in the studio. All they actually can tell we know say all behind bars don't come into force. Then we see recently Jamie go sign MOU with Silent Correctional Service. But we'll get the founder now with we na Sheku Kamara. Good morning, Mr. Kamara. Welcome to Morning Coffee.
Yeah, good morning, Cynthia. Good morning, listeners.
All right, so we don't see the effort we don't they make, and one of our beneficiaries we na Abu also do with we a studio. First of all, we take out this idea following up from Obiang Bas.
Well, as you be witness, we go sign the MOU with OBI has come about as a result of me when I found out personally, Mr. become in conflict with the law where I end up in a prison. I didn't have prison for 2 days, but that time was still in a prison. I end up look at so many issues there within the center. Because you don't say from 2015, then we don't change them from prison base to rehabilitation center. So you expect so much for the happen within the center. So I did the time was spending I come out because the judiciary, like any other institution, gets redress. Like when somebody offend you get outside you only complain. Let's get that same thing. When I come out, I just not left me also. I say no. I said I'm not supposed to go Panama Road. But I decided to say, no, I said, let me slap with secret redress. So I write the Chief Justice and I copy the supervising judges. They invite me, I go there. I see the whole way they play for make sure say for stop some of them things that they happen because in all institutions you get bad extent. The judiciary is not to an exception. They say they try as best as possible for make sure say they cop some of them things anyway. So me that be victim of that, I come out. I see the whole way the judiciary intellectually and tell God thank you. But that few days I was spending, I come across with so many people there. And this Abu Kamara, which Sonaya, I want panel. We explain to me, say, it don't be about 12 years when they go court. He say, no court to sentence based on what he say. So that thing touched me. I say, no. I said, this is not supposed to be so. I said, pray for me. I said, I can't say I'm sick one. I said, but pray for me, what come out? I said, go see what I will do concerning business. Even in my own pain, I look at the man and I say, no, we tell like say, I'm not getting pain. With what happens with this man, it's like say, this God send me car, like I listen to this man's story. So I come out, and I begin look at this man's issue. I go through the court system, I begin investigate. I do 1 or 2 investigations from there. Finally, it's like say, you know what? If somebody like this stay on there place for 12 years without trial, it must be say other people when some of them when they face the same thing. When we're in a similar situation. So what me said that say, you know what? Why sir I talk to my lawyer for us begin look at this Abu Kamara case and decide say, you know what, no be form an organization for this.
Alright, so you wanna engage now with the correctional service concerning the kind of thing and the way they happen. For example, what you they talk to somebody they 12 years, you know they go court or how it been like inside it, and somebody they're not sentenced at it, at least if for within a period they go through judicial system. So how una end up now with the correctional service for make sure say they can't see us so not happen again?
Well, the correctional service get their own mandate. The correctional service their own mandate now for make sure say for keep. Whether you go because if you in February you see the report where one organization put where they talk about what's happening. Charlie Fatuma we talk about what's happening within the correctional system, all them things like overcrowding, lack of delays, all them things all them things will be true. In November last year, you see the human rights report we come out where they talk about same correctional system. So we Maybe say fear
So
some
what's it different they get for do now? Because you say they get a mandate, but for let somebody they 12 years they inside the correctional service, then they're not sentenced, they don't know the outcome of in case you know it's where they can go inside before. Something need for be done now, like for review or for what in self does say now according to this MOU, then go they do further for make them think there so nobody happen.
in the case of this MOU, waiting we actually don't know. Because we don't say some next year they happen and we need for put a stop. Then people out there now brothers and sisters. They get me. I say so. Waiting starts with engage the judiciary. We get a collaboration because these are the players.
Okay.
And then at players, you talk about the judiciary, the Attorney General's office, you get the prisons and the police. So these are the players. So what we do when we establish the organization register, we make sure we get a collaboration meeting with the judiciary. When we get it successful, then self-explain to them challenges, and they're ready for Okuti. Then we also get a collaboration meeting with prisons.
All right, no holiday for now.
Yes, I will like to hear his story because a lot of people are know which are trying
time. Yes. Good morning.
Namin Abu Kamara, Abu S Kamara. From Cambiat. Well, I'm making with the men policeman. I'm the making station road. In the Arabic college. As you go, I may get money pantimba. And I smoke and I cool and I drink for you. I did that. They take the money of the picture bankers box. That money they when they give me pantimba. And that come home. My mama no did, papa no did. Mama they kidnap and no sabia. And that come home. I go na box. As I come na box, I come back. I can't open the cash box. I can't open the cash box. 2012. What open the cash box? And I take the money. How much money be daily? 25 million. And be daily.
Then at 12 years ago.
Yes, 2012. That go take the money. That 4 o'clock I don't go pay back. That meet the man. I mocks with that policeman. I meet her with the pants. And that put 300,000 accent. I said, dear papa, dear. I want to ask you question. I know get my man or papa. I want to put people on a bank account. But I know get picky. I know get woman is dear. I know get brother. I say, hey, see how much the money? I say 25 million. He say, voting. I say, he say, that will show me. I think come on, you go show me Arabic college. Area. We go show me Arabic college area. And I did tell him for see Arabic college. See them once. See them build day. See them get day. Say come. See la catch news. Now they go show me to story news. As you go show me, what you go do? What I go do? I go take the money 25. That 25 million I go give for them born me. Because another person what they be any what they be any. What they control me. And that go give for them born me. And that I will take back the bike what you are trying to buy for me. I go give and full bundle pan. I go give back for last see how they build and for one company they pass benefit. Give back a lot and benefit back. And that will give then and 13 phone. Now that buy granite 250 pound granite. I go give but I say, hey, this money granite. I say na human. I say na get. I say na mama. Na get. I say na human. I say na mama. I say you are the baby. What did the man do? I left McKinney. He left McKinney. I go now for wolf in a bush for wolf timber. Now they come on a bush. I say come on a bush and go na Ukano McKinney. Who go now? And that go for Uga arrest. I been there 3,600,000. And that go. As I go now for Uga arrest, that one bag rest. For them go cook with human each time. I go get out that money back. I no meet and them. I didn't direct me inside the money. I said, okay, no problem. I don't go. I go sit down first and nose. I think first. Tell the first. I didn't trying to talk first. See what happy. I see we know. I said, feed me body. See, well, no problem. See, this is not for friend. This is not for friend nursing. It's just security day for you. I don't go. I said, I want go Cambia quick. I don't go Cambia. I said, I go Cambia. What the man go do? What go na Cambia? I go meet him. Not been to voting. That time in 2014, February the 3rd, that I go meet on Monday. As I go meet a day, I didn't hold me. And that will I say, hey, Papa, I said, yeah, I said, naturally I come. I said, naturally I come. Now they tell me for say, hey, you see, I didn't offend you. See the property and all the shit not Tiffan. See the property and all the non Tiffan. I said, hey, I said, Mama Bango, I said, do I said, no do so. I said, dear, I said, I beg you. I said, dear, I said, you, I don't go meet you for let born me. I said, for I think say you she got smart man, was meet you in a mocks. I said, dear. I said that. I said then this day. I said, me come and never find benefits. I said that there you turn me so back. I didn't have to one. That Bokula. I said Bokula. What he tell me? What he tell in company policeman there? Say let them hold me. Say me keep pushing. That the man ask for. Say what the push will kill. Say what push will culture now. The complaint will culture. The also the complaint. Say what the blame body now. They also the blame body. What he do? He said then I go the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That didn't open me there. He said that the man then go to in a court. He said that go talk for in a kill in the man of Bangla. Now the man then talk for say no. See this man now. He said me not the go man for go and go. Now the man then go to in a Gambia prison. I go there for 4 months. At the Tawadi. And then put me the Gambia police prison back. Then count me protocol prison. Then put me protocol prison. Then count me inside Panama now. 2014. Ebola make me inside. I've been inside 2000 Panama now. 2014. Ebola time. Now they had been there till 2019. They returned me back Gambia. They returned me Gambia. We then go talk. He say no. He say that patient. Till they open Gambia High Court. I say how do they open and then how do they go to the High Court? They don't go to the local court. Don't fail not the case it. I say what the body now? What the complaint? I say I want see. I say that I'm not sweat. I don't issue. I don't give me case back. I say what's happening? Now that Tawata Pande now. Na Gambia now. Say the policeman, now they come back still. They go tell me for say, I go to na place. I say me na policeman. I didn't go to me. I didn't count me Panama back. I didn't count me Panama. They go to me place. They go check me there. But still, when they go check me, the doctor don't talk for the same. Not to policeman. I said to me not to policeman. They don't make for me people say. Now they have the commodity. The officer then pass other jail man. They help me. They sorry for me there. Say this plan. Now they go there now. He said 2000 the year when they put fire there. Now them put me there. Now they put fire there. Now they go to me back special court. 2020 April 29. They put me there. Then go to me special court. I can't be only. They put me special court. The man told me that I miss say. Now he make from paper. Then go to me Gambia. And then go to me Gambia 2021. April 14 Wednesday. Now then go to me Gambia. And then go to me Gambia. We didn't go talk. He say, hey, he say no. He say no go is. He say no hurry for the cases. I say no. I no be hurry. I say look the case them, but them put a case them. They are there all. Them big case them. Una the give them. Well, una we call their own case them. I say we me case now. We mean I what now.
Now they call you for go court.
They don't call me for go court. No appear court. No nothing. Now what I do? Now that come on. I tell one not na prison now. Na come prison. And the man that pull go court to the man for you. So the one who's next to the one. That's the one that come. Like me. Now they go ask me. As he can ask me that I think yeah. Now this policeman. Now this soldier man talk for this. Well, no problem. He say, hey, so now not do at all. So na call the man. They say you na call the man in case that court. When they call the case, they don't call the case. Now they what the soldier one they return no more. The soldier one don't let give me money. Now they put me for to come back. Then count me Gambia Panama 2021 August the 9th.
So instead of go to your court and count here back.
Yeah, they count me like and Panama back 2021. I didn't count me there. I don't think and now they have been there now. Till they have been there now. This fire can meet me there. And we can meet me there 2025. When we can meet me there November. What is Tawadi now for the case now? Why is no more now? Your case they all then they call the case they all. I say me now what you do? What you do now? Me mama don't papa no dey me own back and they eat back. As they eat me own back, they give me case back. They say me keep pushing. They say me keep pushing. What the push I kill? What the anybody I kill? I say don't go na dog with the killer. They see push with the camp for say this dog I say na me get am. I say what to run for killer now. I say what the body now. The body don't gone. I didn't tell me for say okay say and I did pa call me. And that I think yeah. This part I think as I think yeah. And they tell me for say I pray for am. See no well. Now that pray for. Now that talk for. I say well no problem. But me attention not been there that time day. Say that it's December now January. Now then tell me. Now then can tell me for say we say person perfect for a case. I say the other person. I say Lego help and Lego get like everybody. Because I say I don't get picky. I don't get manage. I go 10 feet. But last year I did. I think company if and go up, the company if I send them kids that do so. Me can't they don't at jail for me suffer this back. I can't don't. They can suffer me for that day. I say me no get mama, another papa. I say pass this part and you can help me so. What you can call me so. April, that they can call me now for CSA. Say that take say that come that go na court.
This April,
Yeah, this April, yeah.
2026.
Yes, sir. 2026. April. That they can call me. As they can call me, that they go to na court now. When they go to na court now, what in man do now? Na go they go to me back. The pardon will go there. That is that what the pardon go. Now they turn me back inside Panama. Now they go later now back. April the 16, and then put me there. They go to me the back. They say me for go court back. About I've been talking for I say una na pe book na the book me because I go to case I get. I say they call the case. I say una the go and work out to me no more. That then go to me come. That then go to me. I don't end myself for that keep myself now because I don't see no benefit what the benefit all the what the thing. Me learn all. I know for me. I know me now. The people all you don't take any Mohammed Bangla. You don't use them. I don't know. You don't sell. I know. I do. Who say you sell them? Don't let me be in. Me company all and they found.
Take her easy, Abu. Take her easy. Patience, yeah. Take her easy. So, of course, long come to you back, Mr. Kama. I think you don't do a very, very good job because you promise say you fit this man in case and Tego think you at least be able to come for assistance. So, what's in now I look forward to because this man don't face this challenge now. What do I look forward
You
to?
lost a lot of
Indeed.
in promising time.
Indeed.
Mhm.
And 12 years, so funny thing.
Mm.
Well, as an organization, we look at, we don't say a challenge, we all know that the system, there's so much where they go on, but it takes less money, get courage, and go to it. But I go and say, they let that don't come out, don't get and they don't come out, and we make sure say because it needs to be rehabilitated. And I know we know it's happening. And we don't make sure say we don't get a rehabilitation center like Juba. Because somebody like this, they don't go through a lot. So we see what we go do because when you go for rehabilitator, from the time for the integrator, go back to your life.
What about
Get me?
compensation?
Yeah.
Well, like what they say, me, I don't want to go on a side. All the way to the type of an organization, we don't try, we let best. Don't get a rehab center now Juba. Where Nadia Abude at the moment, after this rehabilitation process, we now go for the page, we're hoping for let's forget people able to see because in the Abude say if we don't if we look at livelihood skills, at the end of the day, we get for send back in the community. So you also when like Keke wants, you get me. So look at now 1 month training on driving, Abu Holana, from the hotel for see what you will do, we thank Keke for Amugiam, at least we will also be monitoring.
So that
because-
person will make this allegation against them, will be saying an officer,
Mohamed Bangua.
this Mohammed person, yeah. What thing for happen to her in terms of the logger for Gonataram or system not for make the law Olam and investigator for the kind of we do.
Well, Madam Gaba, I want to see like what they say. Whatever they do, I get an open mind. They get me. Abu Nayanda will meet. We explain to me the story. They let it Abu out. They get me. Then they therefore that area of what begin look for them. We don't even carry it because Abu will get a lot
Yeah,
of
Abu Nana focus.
because when because when we pull Abu, it not be well. Imagine unless somebody go through 12 years over 12 years too much typically. You get me? So for the past weeks, we don't work on health. Then they tell what thinking now, and we can't start in the rehabilitation process now. So you don't see, and we want to make sure not just focus on Abu first. We'll get that later. You get me because Abu said need a closure. For people to get a closure, let at school, let get at peace. Because whatever I do for me about this, so that person out there is still Abu get peace of mind. But I can't tell you, so we'll get a team where the counseling. What they don't want at the moment. You get me? I don't tell them, so we'll give you see what you can do. For make sure say, Abu, try to get them back. You know, it's difficult. But for make sure say, we'll see what you do. Because other people, we also get for go after. We're not just focus on Abu and see how we get Abu back on the feet.
So you been go inside the correctional service apart from Abu in issue. what you observe in terms of other one them we might be in kind of a situation because you don't get an organization now and up behind bars.
Well, as I tell you, not only Abuja, and let's see what is see organization in the way, don't have all them reports here, but we don't the reports we don't hear. What you for do concerning because this is our border system. No, we do something as a nation. So me I don't start. I don't take the lead. But make sure say we time. I mean we don't do a collaboration with the sector there for me as a SUNASI with prisons. So prison for give you access to the facility. As you hear with the director of the Senate, 21 facilities all over the country. So I therefore set a case management team who will make sure say we go see all the inmates and we try to get the case waiting making go court. Why you go court? How long you don't there? All the information we get them and try to show you. If at all you don't get lawyer, we will provide legal assistance for you, and so we will make sure say we get you off behind bars.
All right, quickly, I'll also join Alfonso Mani Civil Rights Coalition for this conversation. You see, this is an example of where people like can say, well, we go make you go lay doyanda na pademba. You know, if you want to try, you just go lay down there. You know, this is a vivid example where we don't see. What in this year so mean in terms of justice?
My sister, abuse of power Iboku. That police, although I'm not hearing on side it, but what you don't talk now abuse. Now the same thing I can ask to do here for. People they will then get authority, that's the TT, ordinary Solomon, any kind way, if you say forget away with them. This my story is so pathetic. I believe say the courts for Sidon Pine matter and he explain. And if that police then find out one thing, then if I return all in property, and that 19 year way go face, say that police go face double than a one.
12.
At the 12. I know they say the police correct too, which is say correct too, and say no the other side, but say if not true, if not true. Secondly, I want for them also go legal aid board. Because one of the reasons they create an institution, they get strong leadership. Madam Famatakla Ansi. Instead go help this man for fetch through the legal process for bring that police to book. The abuse where people in the abuse office in this country boku. Whether you lambuko, you know lambuko, since then they authority for supervise you, you want mass you, do you anything. And the same thing that happen at university so civilized way. One difference not the same thing. Subject people them to ridicule. How this man student they cry. Now so that them in Pune at the university where they picking and they read the news that day. Now so them they cry at some at time day. It is very serious. And yeah, if this matter they go, if it go at the ears of His Excellency, we not necessarily can fight for this man direct too. But there are no more let the justice system. Let get justice. Based on how you explain. If now so it be no more, imagine and give money for keep. The man buy granite, he buy rest, he go give you just because of this man not get the understanding. After go put in a bank, he meet you in a mosque when a place where he believes and the people they will get moral standing there and they go meet you say burn me and now they be bokuna the provinces. When the man say burn me now, you turn you abuse the man, then you put murder case. When that one of the highest crime that no possible commits in this world, you put murder case for him. Pass in one prison, go to another prison, pass in one prison, until bracket this man, wait they let say this man they out. I think this man needs justice, honestly.
All right, thank you so much. We'll come back to you, but we need to take a break, some of a commercial break, and we will come right back. I want to tell you, say we get now the studio at the Valcasa, we don't join with from the National Commission for Children. We will talk to you about the 2025 Child Rights Act, which are waiting the inside it. And of course, today Salon they join other African countries them for member Africa Liberation Day when a Pan-African Coalition Salon day before pan this kind commemoration here. So we go talk to them as we come out pan this commercial break.
Experience. Register with OneXBet today and enjoy when you register with OneXBet. Activation will be 100% bonus by first deposit and when you complete